Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will just record a quick video on how to make Wix website more responsive. Now, a lot of people have been asking, how do I make my Wix website more responsive? Do I need to do something? Do I need to do this or that, right? Now, this will be answered in this video. Now, as you can see, Wix websites can be responsive. Wix uses a technology called responsive design to make sure your site looks great on all devices. Now, you don't need to do anything specifically to make your site responsive because Wix will actually create a code automatically and a site will work perfectly on all devices. Now, obviously, if you want to learn more, right, you go to Wix support and you can ask them what you can do to make your site more responsive. But other than that, obviously, you can add code to your website to make it more responsive. But other than that, your website will be automatically responsive, and you will be able to actually resize the text on mobile or resize the elements on mobile, or however you want. You can maneuver through Wix platform and through Wix editor how you want certain elements to look like, right? Now, obviously, it will always be responsive, and you cannot actually change the responsiveness unless you go into the code, and for that you need to be tech savvy in order to access the code and in order to make your website more responsive. Now, if you don't know how to do that, I would definitely advise to hire someone to create a custom website for you that is not on Wix, because again, Wix has some limitations, right? And it's limited in to some extent. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it valuable. If you did, leave a like down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.